Let's be honest, the case is the unsung hero of your PC build. Whether you're chasing those top-tier frame rates, crafting captivating content, or simply want a setup that turns heads, the right chassis can transform your rig into a true powerhouse and a visual masterpiece. Join me as we dive into the top 5 PC cases hitting the market in 2025. Each one a champion of cooling, a design marvel, and packed with incredible features. Building a PC without breaking the bank? You've got to check out the Corsair 4000D Airflow. It's seriously the best budget case around. You get amazing cooling performance without sacrificing a sleek look, which is a win-win in my book. The secret sauce is the perforated front panel and the two included 120mm fans that get air moving through your system effectively. And if you're planning on some serious overclocking or just want extra cooling, you can easily add up to 4 more fans or a 360mm radiator. Nobody likes a dusty PC, and the 4000D Airflow makes cleaning easy with removable filters on the top, front, and bottom. Plus, the tempered glass side panel lets you show off your build in style, and the overall design looks way more premium than its price tag suggests. A cool little feature is the ability to mount your GPU vertically if you want to make it the star of the show. The only minor thing is that it doesn't have a ton of built-in RGB, but that just means you can customize it exactly to your liking. Seriously, if you want a top-notch, affordable case with killer airflow and a clean vibe, the Corsair 4000D Airflow is the way to go. If airflow, aesthetics, and affordability are your top priorities when choosing a PC case, the Lian Li Lancool 205 Mesh deserves serious consideration. Its key strength lies in the full mesh front panel, a design choice that significantly enhances cooling potential while maintaining a modern and clean look. Lian Li has also included 3 120mm PWM ARGB fans, providing both effective cooling and vibrant customizable RGB lighting without any additional cost. Despite its relatively compact dimensions, the Lancool 205 Mesh offers good internal space. It supports 240mm radiators in both the front and top positions, offering flexibility for liquid cooling setups. Furthermore, the case features well-designed cable management pathways, allowing for a tidy and efficient build. Lian Li's reputation for quality is evident in the case's solid construction and refined finish. While the Lancool 205 Mesh is an excellent choice for many, it's worth noting a couple of limitations. It does not support larger 360mm radiators, and its slightly smaller size might require users with very large components to verify compatibility. However, for gamers and PC builders seeking a case that provides efficient cooling, attractive RGB lighting, and excellent value without breaking the bank, the Lian Li Lancool 205 Mesh stands out as a highly recommended option. Want to see more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel for regular uploads of exciting and informative content. We cover everything from best products. Join us and become a part of the family. If you're a PC enthusiast who appreciates sleek design and optimal airflow, then the Fractal Design Meshify C is the perfect mid-tower case for you. Its striking mesh front panel not only delivers a modern, artistic aesthetic, but also ensures superior ventilation for optimal cooling. Right out of the box, you get 2 pre-installed fans that operate quietly while maintaining high efficiency, making it an excellent choice for both performance and noise-conscious builders. Despite its compact size, the Meshify C comfortably accommodates ATX motherboards, offering a space-saving solution without compromising on functionality. However, there are a couple of minor drawbacks. The front USB 3.0 cable is relatively short, which may complicate installation for some users, and the PSU dust filter is somewhat inconvenient to access. Still, these small trade-offs are easily outweighed by the case's overall excellence. Ideal for minimalists who prioritize both style and performance, the Meshify C is a top-tier mid-tower case that blends cutting-edge design with practical cooling efficiency. For those aiming for a truly premium RGB ATX case that doesn't just look good but performs flawlessly, the Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB is a fantastic contender. This case is a real head-turner, with its elegant glass panels showcasing your components in style, right out of the box, thanks to the 3 pre-installed RGB fans. These fans immediately inject vibrant color into your system. The tempered glass isn't just for show though. It also cleverly helps you manage those inevitable cables, resulting in a remarkably clean and professional-looking interior. If you're already invested in Corsair's IQUE ecosystem, you'll love how seamlessly you can synchronize the lighting with all your other Corsair gear for a unified and dazzling RGB experience. But it's not all about the looks with the 4000X RGB. Corsair has ensured excellent airflow to keep your high-performance components running cool. And the thoughtful cable management features make building and maintaining your system a breeze. Of course, this premium aesthetic and feature set come with a higher price tag than simpler, non-RGB cases. While the steel and glass construction definitely feels robust and high quality, some enthusiasts might have preferred the inclusion of aluminum accents for an even more luxurious feel. Ultimately, if you're a gamer or content creator who prioritizes a visually stunning, high-end build without compromising on cooling and practicality, the Corsair iQ4000X RGB deserves a serious look. The Height Y70 Touch isn't just a PC case, it's a statement piece that redefines what we expect from a computer chassis. In my opinion, it's the best overall for several key reasons. The integrated 4K touchscreen is a standout feature, providing users with the ability to monitor system information, play media, and utilize customizable widgets directly on the case. This adds a significant layer of functionality beyond a traditional enclosure. Visually, the Y70 Touch is striking. Its elegant glass panels offer a clear view of the internal components, and the thoughtfully designed cutaway layout gives it a modern and sophisticated aesthetic, making it a focal point of any setup. Beyond its looks and innovative screen, the Y70 Touch excels in thermal performance. It supports a substantial number of fans, up to 10, and can accommodate 3 radiators, ensuring excellent cooling potential for even high-end systems. Its versatility is another major plus, with compatibility across a wide range of motherboard sizes, including ITX, MATX, ATX, and the larger eATX form factors. This makes it a flexible choice for various build configurations. Additionally, its larger physical size means you'll need to ensure you have adequate space available. For tech enthusiasts and builders who prioritize a blend of advanced technology and exceptional design, the Height Y70 Touch delivers an unmatched and truly high-end experience.